I have seen college toppers who have great knowledge ruining their GATE examination. I have seen below average to mediocre students topping their GATE examination. The main reason behind it is mainly that GATE is 50% knowledge and 50% mindset management, time management, and your practice and all those things. Now, the thing is that 90% of the students think that I have to just study, and study, and they neglect those 50%, that is mindset management, time management, confidence, practice. And they think that I need to just study, and study. And you know that there is a book called Think and Grow Rich. Now, don't be confused because this book is not something about only making money. This is about something that you want to achieve in your life. It can be money or it can be GATE examination. So, in this book, there is a concept called definiteness of purpose. So, if you want to achieve GATE, you have to know that what are the minute things that I need to ensure to have a rank below 1000, to have a rank below 500, to have a rank below 100, or to have a rank below 10. 90% of the aspirants, they neglect those 50% part. And that is why it is said that your competition with those 5,000 aspirants. Okay, because if you are not ensuring those 50% things, mindset, confidence, and all those things, then you are not serious about your GATE. And that means you are already out of the competition, right? Now, just 2 weeks ago, I made a video about must do's and must don'ts. Don't worry, this will not be the same thing again, but I will be telling you that in this last 1 month, exactly point by point, by pinpointing, I will not waste any time. I will go through the direct steps that you need to maintain every day. Please, I just beg you that 1 month is remaining, and these are not the things that will take you just 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours. This will take you maybe some minutes. So please ensure these things in this last 1 month. And as that book suggests, the Think and Grow Rich book suggests, by the way, I suggest all of you to read that book. But as that book suggests that you need to write down all these things that you want. So take a copy and pen before further continuing in this video and write that I want to achieve GATE examination and I want to achieve a rank below this. Don't think that if I can or not. Write that first and then write the things that I will be telling just now in this video. Write all the points that you need to maintain throughout the next 30 days or throughout the days before the GATE examination. So, without any delay, let me start. Okay, so I have appeared for the subject tests, maybe 3 or 4 subject tests are there. Now he is saying that I need to appear for the full length test. पर जाने दो क्या होगा क्योंकि डर लग रहा है अगर नहीं कर पाया तो फुल लेंथ टेस्ट में इफ आई गेट बिलो 50 राइट नाउ नहीं यार फुल लेंथ टेस्ट छोड़ दे नो you need to ensure that you have to appear for the actual GATE examination. So why are you afraid of appearing for just a mock test? Be it a full length test, you have to appear for that. There is no other choice. Now, this is a point that I say again and again and again, and I will be saying this again because I know I have met with those kind of people who are still scared of appearing for a full-length mock test, and this is detrimental. This is detrimental. You have to understand that. Okay, so I beg you, start appearing for the full-length test now. And honestly, if you can appear for a full-length test for every day, this is very important. And if you cannot, don't worry. Appear with a frequency that you can. Maybe 3 or 4 times a particular week, maybe 2 times a week, maybe once a week, but you have to appear. And in the previous video also, I have said the same kind of thing, but people have got the particular fact that I need to just appear. No, you have to analyze. Analyze means what? You have to jot down the mistakes in a copy. You need to, revise that copy before going to bed every day. Okay, so about this, how to do this, how to make this mistake copy, I have told plenty of time in many of my videos. You can go through them. One such video is this, where I have shown that how to use a test series, okay, correctly. You can go through that to know how can I make the mistake copy. So the first point is you have to appear for test series with a frequency as high as possible for you. You have to jot down the mistakes and you have to go through them every night before you go to bed. And most importantly, people do a mistake that they use the calculator of their phone or maybe the scientific calculator that they have. Don't do that. Start using the actual calculator and familiarize yourself with all the minute details of that GATE calculator that is available in the screen. Okay, so I will try to make a small video about the GATE virtual calculator also. And finally, so I have jotted down all the points here because these are very important. So all the things are done. Okay, so for the test series, that is all. Okay, I want you to maintain all the things about test series that I have told right now, the things throughout this 30 days that you will be having before your GATE examination. Clear? Okay, so this is a question from thermodynamics. I know this. I studied this just a week ago and I can solve this. Okay, so let me do the thing. So it should be option A, right? It is not matching with any of the options. But I think, I'm sure that I can do this. Okay, let me try. No, you don't have to try anymore. Maybe you are a champion with thermodynamics, with fluid mechanics, or with any other subject of your branch. But this is not a fight. Okay, this is a fight, but this is not a fight of your ego. Okay, maybe you are a champion, but please leave your ego in your home before going to the examination hall. You have to start practicing of getting out of your ego, that much ego. Okay, that ego that I can do this, I can do that, I can solve all the questions of this subject. No. If you are taking more than 3 minutes or maybe more than 4 minutes in any question, you have to leave that. Okay, no matter how good are you at that subject. And all these things comes under the umbrella of making a strategy. There are so-called very confident people who think, I am master, I don't need to make a strategy. And what do a strategy mean? A strategy means something that will make you enable to see all the questions. So here in this video, I have shared my mistakes in my GATE attempt of 2022. There I made the mistakes because of which I was not able to see last 10 to 15 questions, of which I could have answered almost 8 questions, 8 easy questions. And my rank could have shoot up like nothing. Okay, so you have to make a strategy. Now, the moment I say these things, people will come up in the comment box and they will say, okay, then you tell us some strategy. And what strategy did you maintain? Okay, that is a valid question. You can learn from my strategy. But let me tell you, there is no single magic strategy that will work for everyone. In these last few days, you need to apply almost all the strategies or the strategies that you feel will work for you. You have to apply all of them. Then you have to choose out of them that what is working for you in the best possible way. Now, although I have said that there is no single master strategy that I can give you, but there are some points that you need to ensure while making a GATE paper solving strategy. The first thing is that strategy should enable you, as I have said earlier, to see all the questions. 65 out of 65 questions you should be seeing in the examination hall, and not with a hurry, with a similar pace. Okay? And you cannot spend more than 3 to 4 minutes in a particular question. Obviously, if you have seen all the questions, and now if you have solved all the questions that you can solve, and then you are seeing the harder questions, then you can go for more and more time for those harder questions. Okay? Let me see the points I have jotted down. Okay? I think I have told all the things. And please, lastly, don't make the mistake of not making any strategy out of overconfidence. Lastly, if you want to know my strategy was that in the first go, I will solve only those questions which, just by seeing, I can tell you that I can solve this. Okay? Because obviously, if you have prepared it like that, then there will be questions that, just by seeing, you can tell that whether you know the concept, whether you know the approach, or you don't know the approach at all. If you don't know the approach at all, I will not solve that question in the first go. That was my approach. But you don't have to, follow that. Your approach can be like, if I talk about any other example approach, that can be like this: that I will first solve all the 1 mark question, or I will solve the aptitude part at last. These are all examples of different strategies. You have to find your own strategy. And how can you find? You have to experience a particular strategy. And that's all. So start making your strategy right now. So now I have seen in my comment boxes that, Bhaiya, this subject is remaining. Will I be able to score good in GATE, or do I have to study this subject? See, you have to understand that now you don't have any option. You have only 30 days. So either if you haven't studied anything, then if you want to crack, at least if you want to qualify GATE, then you need to study maybe maximum of 2 to 3 subjects. That you can try, but I cannot ensure anything. But if you have 1, 2, 3, or maybe 4 subjects that you have not studied, then right now I will suggest you not to start any new subject. You can study a new subject, provided that you can ensure appearing for a mock test, a full length test at the highest possible frequency for you. If you can ensure that, and after that, if you have time, then you can study a new subject. But this has a drawback. And what is that? That is that if you start studying a new subject, then see, to develop the approach of solving any question will take time. And that can actually take your motivation down, because if you see that I have studied this subject just now, but I am not able to solve any question from that, then that can affect your motivation. But if you are okay with that, and if you can ensure all the other steps that I will be telling in this video, then only I will suggest you to go for any new subject. Otherwise, don't go for any new subject right now. Focus on the test series, focus on your mind that I will be telling subsequently, focus on making a strategy that I have already told, and focus on your health that I will be telling subsequently. But don't try to start a new subject. Now, only 2 points are there to be talked about, but these 2 points are maybe the most neglected points, and at the same time maybe they are the most important points for this last days. Not the most, because the most important point is about appearing for the test series consistently, but after that, these 2 points are the most important. And I know that even after hearing from me all these things, people will neglect this. And that is why the concept of that, why 90% of the students are already out of the competition, that things come. Because you see that I have told already that even after hearing from me, people will neglect that, right? So the first point is your health. Now, people will jump up to argue with me. Okay, I am perfectly fit and fine. But let me tell you that if you eat a very good meal, that is, what do I mean by a good meal? I mean by a good meal, a meal which is full of nutrition, maybe low to moderate calories, and you don't have to be a food scientist or maybe a health and nutritionist to judge these things. You know that chips is a bad thing. Bad things mean that those are full of sugar, full of artificial things. So you have to eat home cooked foods and try to avoid the junk ones, because seriously, even if you are at a very good condition, uh, apparently outside, okay, from outside, if you are feeling that okay, I don't have fever, I don't have a stomachache, I don't have headache or anything like that, but believe me, the quality of your food actually can affect, not can affect, it affects your motivation, it affects your concentration. So you have to understand that. So please try to eat healthy. And the second point is exercise. I am not telling you that you need to give 1 hour per day for your exercise. Give 5 to 10 minutes. Go for a 20 minutes walk. अरे यार गाना ऑन करके थोड़ा you can dance. That is also a good exercise. Okay. So at least give 5 to 10 minutes or maybe a 20 to 30 minutes walk in nature. Okay. These things are actually important. And if you are not taking care of your diet, seriously, consider a scenario that just the day before your actual gate examination, on the day before your actual gate examination, you got a very bad stomachache. And honestly, stomach infection can take time to be built up. So all these things you need to take care of that, and at least for this 30 days, control your cravings. Okay, a bit. I am not telling that सब कुछ छोड़ दो. Okay, have your chips, have that piece of pastry, have that drink, have that soft drinks, but do it in, moderation. Okay, finally, the sleep, the most neglected, most neglected. I mean, I have seen that people are motivating, the coaching sleep mentors, they are motivating that beta is बार के लिए जाग लो, पूरी रात जाग लो. Okay, see, you have two options. Either if you have maintained your health throughout the year, then you can go for the next 15 days, almost without sleep, or maybe with a 4 to 5 hours of sleep. Even 5 hours of a good sound sleep is also very good for your health. But the thing is that we rarely have sound sleep. So, what I am trying to say is that if you have taken care of your sleep throughout the year, you can afford a compromise in sleep for the next 15 days. But if you are already in a sleep deprived situation, then I will suggest you not to continue that, because it affects your memory, because it affects your level of concentration. Honestly, you will find that we waste a lot of time throughout the day. So try to utilize those time for studying and try to utilize the night time for sleep. This is very important. But at the same time, if you feel that I need to utilize the night time also because I don't have time and a lot of to cover up because maybe I have to work outside, then okay, you can compromise your sleep for the next 15 to 20 days, but don't do it. Don't do it at a stretch. Take sleep for the maybe for the next day, and then for the next day you can go for the whole night study, but don't do it at a stretch. Do it intermittently. So these things are very important because that you will find that if your health is at a good condition, your concentration will rise, and that is very important to be concentrated. I have known students who can solve a particular question in front of me, but they cannot solve during the examination because they feel bored. They cannot concentrate on a particular question if that question is very long. They cannot read that particular question with a required level of concentration. And to build up concentration is very hard. That actually depends on your health and mind. Now, talking about mind, this is the last point. You have to take care of your mind and confidence. Again, I know that by this time, up to this last 2 points or before this last 2 points, people have already switched off my video. But okay, if they are, okay with that, then it is perfectly fine. But see, you have to build your confidence. So I will tell you my story that I built a confidence of that much level that if in the examination hall I am not able to solve a particular question, then I can tell myself that okay, if I cannot solve this question, then 90% of the students will not be able to solve this question. As simple as that. Now, to build this confidence, what you need to do? First of all, it is more important to prevent your confidence to dip down than building up your confidence. Now, to do that, you have to understand the main reason behind the dipping down of our confidence. And the main reason is the comparison. You are seeing that in the test series, you are seeing your marks, you are seeing your rank. You saw that you are getting 40 and your rank is maybe 300 out of 500 students. Okay. So honestly, you will see those things, but only one sentence I want you to tell yourself. That is, right now, I cannot do anything other than maintaining all the points that Shoham Bhaiya has told. Okay. This one sentence, that the things that you can control is to maintain the steps that I am telling you. Other than that, you cannot control any other thing. You cannot control your rank or marks. You can control partially, but what you can control to control your marks is to appear for the test series by the best possible manner. After that, you cannot do anything. So tell yourself that okay, I will try my best and the rest is not in my hand. I cannot do anything. I cannot do anything about my rank if I think about that. Only thing that I have to ensure is I have to try my best. So tell these things to yourself. Write down these things. Things in my control. Things out of my control. And put a large cross to things out of your control. These things actually matter and these things actually work. Okay. This can pacify your mind. This can reduce the level of the pressure that you are feeling right now. And this is very important to build up that confidence. In the GATE examination, if you are seeing that if you cannot solve the first question, the second question, the third question, it is important that you should not let your confidence to dip down, even if you cannot solve the first 3 questions. So how can you do that? You have to calm your mind. And you have to tell, okay, 3 questions gaye to kya hua? Abhi bhi 62 questions are there. I have to try my best. Okay. And by the way, there are facts that if you can solve at least 40 to 50 questions also, then that is also very good, at least in terms of getting IIT. And the next point is that don't think about that if I will get IIT or not, if I will get PSU or not. The same thing that you cannot do anything about that if you are thinking about that consistently. Okay. And finally, you need to ensure shedding up those negative comments, those negative friends, those negative uncle and aunts who will always try to drag you down. They will tell you, firstly the uncle announce, बेटा बहुत मुश्किल एग्जाम है, मेरे बेटे ने भी बहुत साल ट्राई किया लेकिन नहीं हुआ, देखते हैं. अच्छा, I mean we hope that they will do good, but they actually hope that काश इसका बेटा भी फेल हो जाए, कुछ I mean कुछ भी ना हो इसका. And your friends. So again the same thing, that 90% of the people will not maintain all these things and they will drag you down to make feel secure themselves, that okay, I am not the only one who is missing out of these things. My friend is also missing out of the test series. My friend is also eating the junk food. My friend is also seeing that particular toxic movie. Okay, you have to shed out all these friends, uncle and aunties, and all those negative videos in YouTube also, and all those negative cinemas. At least for these 30 days, please control your cravings and don't watch those things that is very much negative. Okay, and also the very much positive things can hamper your examination. Okay, for example, that if you are solving a particular question and you just have in your mind the thought of your crush, अरे यार उसने कल मेरी तरफ देखा, बस हो गया 2 + 4 = 4, ऐसा कुछ मिस्टेक हो गया. ओके, उसके बाद इतना बुरा लगेगा ना, तुम क्या ही करोगी. ओके, so take care of your mind, and for this last 2 points I will put up a summary. For health, try to eat your junks in moderation. Try to eat your home cooked foods. Try to include exercise, maybe a 5 to 10 minute exercise. You can search in YouTube also that a 5-10 minute home exercise or a 20 to 30 minute outside walk. This is all for health that you have to do. And the last thing, that is sleep. Sleep. So these 3 things. And for your mind, shed up all those negative videos, shed up all those negative uncle, aunties, friends, and all those people around you who will drag you down. Try to shed up. Okay. Finally, tell yourself that, okay, don't tell. Write in a copy, these things are in my control, these things are not in my control, and put a big cross on those things which are not in your control. Try to listen to some people who are actually good, who will actually can calm your mind. Okay, there are very good people. Try to listen to affirmations. Try to focus on your breathing. I am not just advising you to do some meditation. I am telling you that try to do some deep breathing. 3 or 4 seconds inhale, a larger exhale. Try to focus on your breathing. So I hope that this video was not very much ambiguous or confusing. You have 5 points. First is you have to appear for the full length tests. You don't have any option. Second is you need to make your own strategy for appearing for the GATE examination, and you have to make it by your own. No one can tell that this strategy will surely work for you unless he or she knows your situation, your mental and physical situation. Thirdly, don't try to study a new subject right now if you cannot ensure all these steps for every day. Fourthly, take care of your health. Fifth, and the most important maybe, take care of your mind. So in this video, that is all. And finally, I will tell you that don't take anything too much serious. You have to be serious, but this is not the end. I have cracked GATE with AIR 31. I have been selected in IISc and ISRO. Both are starting from I actually. So IISc, ISRO, and DRDO. I am my college MTech topper. But still, I also cry. I also feel depressed and frustrated. So बचपन से हम लोग सुनता है कि बेटा बस ये कर लो पूरी जिंदगी अच्छी हो जाए. But those are not the things. Even if you can crack GATE with AIR 1, after that also, you will feel, okay, I have cracked GATE with AIR 1, but उससे क्या होता है? I mean now you can tell that okay, आपने तो सब कुछ कर लिया तो आपको इसका value अब तक नहीं पता होगा. No, these are the things. And there are people who have failed to crack GATE, but they have, they're doing very good. And I'm not talking about the stars. I'm talking about the middle class people, lower middle class people, upper middle class people who have not cracked GATE. They have not qualified GATE, but they have found out their own particular thing by which they are making a sufficient amount of money. So don't be scared too much. Okay, this is not the end of the life. Okay, so all the best. I know that you will do good. Finally, in this channel, I always try to bring the solutions of some existing things, of some existing questions and problems in a most unique approach. Okay, that hardly anyone is saying. And if anyone is saying, he is not my competitor, he is actually my friend. Okay, because I want you to know all these things, that these things are what actually matter for GATE preparation, for your interview preparation. Okay, so if you think that this guy is doing something for us, please hit that subscribe button and put a particular comment in the comment box also about anything that you want in the next video. Until that, you can go to in these videos where I have talked about my experience, that how I got from AIR 3500 to AIR 31 in this 1 year without coaching and with my college responsibilities. I was in my 4th year. So I will meet you in that video. Until that, goodbye, take care, and thank you.